Hello friends, first of all I want to say thank you for my hubby. He surprised me in this vacuum cleaner. Also I will make unboxing, so let's begin. So first of all, it came in this box, as you see, have all information. 15 liters, 700 watt, and so on. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, it came with this user guide, information about the vacuum, First of all, it came with a handle, carry handle, as you see. Here is the switch, off and on. Okay. And the lid. The blower function, and here you will see the indicator for dust fully. If dust fully, it will be red color here. This is dirt container, and here the vacuum until, okay, or vacuum inlet, okay. This is, and this is the base and the wheels here, easy to work, see. And here is the tool storage, as you see. And here is the filter cloth bag, and here is the ring you put inside like that. Okay, the cloth and the ring for the filter. Also it came with cord, as you see, and the holder here, and it came with these two clips from two sides to open the lid. And this is the hose, as you see, and this one is telescopic tube. And it came with two accessories, one is floor head and one is dusting brush. So yeah, this is unboxing. In another video I will make review in it, and yeah, hope you like it, hope you enjoy. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Until another video, take care, bye bye. Thank you again, my hobby. I like it.